Hey, let's look at these pictures. What are you holding there in the first place? Oopsie. That is a nice bucket shoe you've got there. Hey, let's check out these pictures. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that. Okay, who's that? Guys? Guys? Oh boy, you already pulled one of the pictures down. Where should we put that one? Where do you want to put that one? Over there? How about over here? You like that spot for it? Oh, I see what you're doing. You're rearranging it. That one? You want to hold it? Okay. So this seems to be the problem. That they want to remove the pictures instead of just enjoying them. Or perhaps they're expressing their own aesthetic sensibilities. Clearly those pictures didn't belong there. Who is that? Who is that? Who is it?
Skateboard.
Skateboard. Who's on it?
Sequin.
That's right, Zequin.